The C555 Concrete Moisture Meter from Wagner Meters is a non-destructive electronic device designed to detect moisture levels in concrete or similar materials for the purposes of wet or dry indications or other applications needing quantitative evaluation. The C555 should never be used to replace standardized methods of measuring concrete moisture conditions for flooring installation applications. The C555 is fully compliant with ASTM F2659 as a non-destructive electronic concrete moisture meter for preliminary evaluation of the comparative moisture condition of concrete, gypsum cement, and other floor slabs and screed. In the standard measurement mode, the C555 measures moisture within a 0 to 6.9% moisture reading range. The C555 also features a relative measurement mode, which will give you a comparative indication of moisture in materials other than concrete with a numerical scale from 1 to 100. All surfaces to be measured should be smooth so the entire sensor plate makes contact for the most accurate readings. Press the mode button 4 times and the C555 screen will alternate between showing ambient temperature and relative humidity every 3.5 seconds. If you are ever unsure whether the C555 concrete moisture meter is calibrated, an on-demand calibrator platform is included to allow you to calibrate the C555 back to the original factory standards in less than a minute. Refer to your instruction manuals for details. The calibration process is simple and fast, so you can very quickly get back to using the C555 with as little delay as possible.